All right, so I want to show you how to draw models. So we're going to draw a model of a balloon here. And to do that, you want to put insert on any Google document. You're going to go down to drawing. And then you're going to hit the plus new button. That'll open up this menu. And then you want to click on this line thing here. You're going to hit scribble. So here I'm going to draw a balloon. Again, it's an online tool. It's not going to be the best. And then I want to make sure I draw little particles bouncing around in here. Do your best. It's a little hard to just get a single dot, so I'm drawing little scribbles here. Obviously, they're not going to look perfect, but again, this is just a model to help us visualize what's going on inside of these things. And yes, I do want you to have these models. It is more important that you draw this than to just get an image from the internet. So you're going to hit save and close. And again, that's our model. Very nice. Let me know if you have any questions about how to do this. But it is important that we draw models in this unit and in the future.